This is session 9. In this session we have some examples on regular expressions. So first we will look at examples, and after discussing 2-3 examples we'll understand, because this is actually a quite comprehensive subject and you will recollect your knowledge which you have learned, which you have acquired in understanding Linux and regular expressions in Linux. More or less same concept. So let's discuss the first program, Python 01.py. And this is the program which will give you one good example of regular expression, though all the details we are going to discuss during the lecture. There is a library, there is a module called regular expression re. This module have methods and operators, methods and constants. We are going to use them. This is method. Method means a function defined in this module, and this is how we call it. So that's not important. What is important is we are assigning some value. We are using this regular expression here, and from here to here this is how it is used. Regular expression part is starting from here. If you look at carefully, these are 3, 1, 2 and 3 regular expressions. In these 3 regular expressions we are using some fixed part also, like are. And then we are trying to find out the match of this regular expression. I'll elaborate that what this regular expression specifies, of this regular expression in this variable or in this object. The object is line, which consists of cats are smarter than dogs. And these are advanced options or flags. That M is a flag, as I have told you that in module regular expression re we have flags. So M is a flag, I is a flag. So we'll understand this M and I flag, what is the meaning of this and what are other flags available. Let's understand this program. This program match obj stores the whatever is matching from this regular expression in this line. Actually, how many expressions are appearing in the string? They are divided into group. Like this is first regular expression, so this is group 1, this is group 2, and this is group 3. There are 3 groups. Now in these 3 groups, if I include everything together, that will be the whole group without any parameter. So that means this group, if I say group without any parameter, this will represent the whole string from here to here. Whatever is matching from this raw string from end to end. And then group 1 means the first group, which is here. This 2 means the second group, which is here. And third group I am not mentioning, I am not using. So what do you think, what will be the first group? Let's understand one by one. The regular expression starts with dot star, followed by space, followed by r. So what comes here in this just before r, that is actually cats. So what do you expect in group 1 is cats. So here the output will be cats, and this will be the whole string. What will be the output here? After are followed by space, what is the next regular expression after are? It is smarter, which is actually single character multiple occurrences. So this is represented by smarter. So we can expect here smarter, and this is anything left over, because dot star means anything. So that is then dogs. That is part of it. I'm not giving that part. So 2 expressions I'm using. Let's find out and let's understand by executing it. Python 3, Python 01. Now that's what. So group 1 is entire string. Together, the whole set. We don't pass anything. That will be the entire string, matching string. Group 1 is the first, that is cats. Group 2 is smarter. Let's try to tweak it and make some changes so that we understand it better. If I don't write this, what will happen? What will change? Only this will change, because here this entire string, this will change, and this time it will be after smarter, up to smarter. This should change, otherwise rest should remain the same. Let's see. So cats are, in fact, after space there was a mandatory, and that is not matching. So cats are only cats, and smarter is not included. That means smarter is not included. How can we get smarter back? Very easy. You just put a space, because a word is defined by a space. So if I give space here, I will get smarter also. Only this much is the difference. You see, cats are smarter and cats and smarter. So that is very particular, that because this include the entire string followed by a space which include this smarter. So up to here it is including. Therefore, if I want to change the entire string again, that is a dot star, I'll get the entire string. But if I, instead of this, if I pass 0, what that would mean? So if I pass the value 0 to this object, what do I expect? I expect the same thing, no difference, because 0 is the default value. If I try 3, what will happen? Instead of 2, if I pass 3, what do you expect if I pass 3 here? This is this message. The important is this one, because this is the actual string. So the third is not matching, because the group is given in parentheses. So this is not matching. This line, this is no such group. There is no third group. So I am not able to get anything. So therefore I have only 2 groups which are given in parentheses, and I was able to get them by 1 and 2. And 0 represent the whole string, 2 first represent the first group, 2 represent the second group, and so on and so forth. With this example, let's go on to the next example, which is similar. What is the difference? Here I am using search, not match. So a regular expression is same. So what do we expect? I'll find out whether it is there or not. So only that difference. Otherwise, apart from that, there is no difference. 1 second. So same thing, no output. But then what is the difference between search and match? I will elaborate that with example. Let's look at the third example, which will give the difference. Now this will make the difference between search and match clear. The same string, cats are smarter than dogs. Match, dogs, line. This match actually refer to beginning, that this string should be in the beginning. Is dog in the beginning? No, it is in the end. So therefore this will return false. So this will have the value, this match will return into false. That's what I'm trying to display, that match object, and this should be no match. But when I'm searching, search means anywhere. But dog is there in this string or no? Yes, it is there. So that means this time it will say yes, it is found, and I should get the value dogs here in the search. And this is just a message I'm displaying as output. This is search, this is match, and this is search. The message to be displayed as it is to convey the right meaning. So let's understand third program. So first, no match. In search, match is found, which is there, dogs. So this is what the difference between search and match is. And then we have one more example, that is number 4, delete. This is replacing. We are using regular expression. This is the object phone, and this is the value inside this. This is phone number with complete message up to here, from here to here. This is phone number, and the string closes here. Now Python style comment, we are removing the comment here, which is starting from hash, because this comment I don't want to keep, and I want to value apart, accept the comment minus the comment. So I want just the number, not the comment. So how can I remove the comment? Simple. The character hash followed by any character any number of times. So which is this? Hash any character any number of time means up to here end. So substitute that, sub means substitute that with what? With nothing, blank, in phone, which is this. So in the entire string we are substituting this with a blank sign. Similarly, what we are doing here, we are deleting the numbers, remove anything other than digits. So other than digit means that include this much hash, this hyphen, the space, the hash, and the numbers, alphabets, everything will be removed, only the number will be left, and that is D. Substitute with /D, substitute every character in with nothing in phone number. So let's see what we will get in this. When I execute this fourth program, the first string is this, only this part is displayed, not the comment part what was there, and second is only the numbers, no hyphen and no extra character. So these are some of the examples. Let's understand the concept of, there are so many wildcards, characters, anchors, in regular expressions. We need to understand them, understand all these things. So let's start. Session 9, regular expressions in Python. Regular expressions is a special sequence of characters that helps you match or find other strings or a set of strings using a specialized syntax held in a pattern. They are widely used in Linux world or Unix world. The module re provides full support for regular expressions in Python. This module raised the exception re.error if an error occurs while compiling or using a regular expression. There are various characters which would have special meaning when they are used in regular expressions. To avoid any confusion with the dealing with the regular expression, we would use the raw expression, that is R, which we learned how to use expressions or strings. Raw string, this is how we use raw string. Match function, that was demonstrated. This function attempt to match regular expression pattern to string with optional flags. So the syntax is re.match, the pattern which you want to search within the string with flag. Pattern means this is the regular expression to be matched. String means within this string you are trying to find out. Flag means you specify different flags using bitwise OR, that is this piping symbol or vertical bar. The re.match function returns a match object on success and none on failure. We use group followed by number or groups function to match object to get matched expression. Group or groups. This method returns entire match. You specify group number 1, 2, 3 or specific subgroup number like we used 1 and 2. Groups. This method returns all matching subgroups in a tuple, empty if there were not any. And this is the example we studied. First program Python 1, and we explained that we were matching with this entire group. If it is matching right in the beginning, then it will be displayed, otherwise not. And we got this output: cats are smarter than dogs. Group 1 is cats, group 2 is smarter. Then we have search string. The search function searches for the first occurrences of the regular expression pattern within the string with optional flags. Incredible similar to pattern, the match. Search, pattern, string and flags. Pattern is what we are trying to match, string within which, and flag optional flags. The re search function returns a match object on success, none on failure. We use group and groups here also, the same concept. Only the difference part needs to be understood. Usage is absolutely same. So what is the difference? Python offers two different primitive operations based on regular expression. Match will check for the match only at the beginning. That's the difference of the string. While search check for a match anywhere in the string. So that's the difference. Otherwise, the function, the method, the call is same. And this is an example of match and search. So this is match. This should appear in the beginning. If not, it will display false. And we are tracking it here using if statement. So if this is found, display it, else display no match. Then we are using a search where anywhere. Search means it should appear anywhere. So we are searching it. If it is found anywhere, we will get this message, yes, it is there. Otherwise print nothing found. So we are getting output this. Search and replace. One of the most important RE method that use regular expression is sub. Sub means replace, substitute. Substitute, search with this pattern, replace this with this within this string. Max 0 means how many occurrences you have to replace. So this method replaces all occurrences of RE pattern in the string with replace, substituting all occurrences unless the max is provided. This method returns modified string. And this is the example, regular expression. I demonstrated this example, but this comment was missing, that was there in the program but not mentioned here. So it was deleting the comment, and this is remove everything other than the digits. Regular expression modifiers, the flags which was used in our regular expression, last option. What are those flags? Regular expression literals may include an optional modifier to control various aspects of matching. The modifiers are specified as an optional flag. You can provide multiple modifiers using exclusive OR, that is vertical bar. And these are some of the flags. re.I, case insensitive. re.l, interpret words according to current locale. That is the language. The interpretation affect the alphabetic group like /w or /w as well as the word boundary behavior. Uppercase M, make dollar end of the line, and caret symbol end of the start of the line. S means make a period match any character including a new line. U means interprets the letter according to the Unicode character set. And X means it permits cutter regular expression syntax. It ignores white spaces except inside this square bracket or when escaped by a backslash, and treats unescaped hash as comment marker. Patterns, except for the control characters. These are all control characters. All characters match themselves, but these characters do not match themselves. We need to use backslash in order to match these characters. You can escape control character by preceding them with a backslash. These are the characters which we learned in Linux also. Regular expression, conceptually they are same. Beginning of the line, end of the line, any single character, any character given in square bracket, that is character class, not any character class, negation, re star, 0 or more occurrences of the preceding character, that is expression, re plus, match 1 or more occurrences, question mark, 0 or 1 occurrences, n means exactly n number of occurrences, n comma n or more occurrences, n comma n at least n, at most m occurrences. This is basically or, either this or that. Then we have re within parentheses. This is grouping. So in our examples we use two groups. The third was not a group. group regular expressions and remember the match text. That's why we could find out the groups in our output. We could display the group number 1 and group number 2, though the third was not a group and I could not get the value with group 3. That was not a group. So within parentheses it will consider them as group, and you can remember the group now. Question mark IMX temporarily toggles on I, M or X options within the expression if in parentheses only that area is affected. Means toggling this meaning of the flags. Minus IMX temporarily toggle off. This is toggle on, this is toggle off I, M or X options within the regular expression. Question mark colon regular expression. Group regular expressions without remembering match text. Means question mark if you put, that will not remember it even though you are giving in parentheses. Question mark IMS regular expression temporarily toggle on I, M or X option within parentheses. Similarly, question mark hyphen minus IMX regular expression temporarily toggle off I, M or X options within parentheses, and this is comment because we are using hash, so whatever you give that will not be considered, it will be ignored. Question mark equal to regular expression, it specifies the position using a pattern, doesn't have a range here. Question mark exclamation mark specify position using pattern negation, does not have a range. Question mark greater than symbol independent pattern without backtracking. Slash W word character, slash W match unword character, slash S white space equivalent to this slash T slash N slash R or slash F. These are regular expressions. Without examples we will not understand them. We need to build examples around these regular expressions, only then we will understand the use case. More of them. S means non-white space, D means digits equivalent to this, uppercase D is digit, uppercase D means non-digit. This is what we use in our example. Uppercase A beginning of the string, uppercase Z end of the string. If the new line exists, it matches just before the new line. Small z end of the string, uppercase G the point where the last match finished. B word boundaries when outside bracket, uppercase B non-word boundaries, and T slash N slash T new line carriage return tabs, and slash 1 slash 2 nth grouped sub expression, and slash 10 means the nth grouped expression if it is matched already, otherwise refer to the octal representation of a character code. Then we have literal characters. Let's understand the examples now. With these we have discussed them. Without example there is no learning. So let's understand one by one. The simplest is you type this, so it will match the word Python. No regular expression, no special character, therefore no special meaning. So it will match Python with Python, as simple as that. Now let's understand rest of them one by one. Uppercase P small p in square bracket YTHON, so it will match Python and Python. That means uppercase P or small p. RUB Y or E in square bracket means Ruby or RUBE. AEIOU it match any lowercase vowel. 0 to 9 any digit. A to Z any ASCII letter. Uppercase any uppercase. A to Z 0 to 9 alphanumeric alphabets, uppercase, lowercase and digits. Not vowel because negation. 0 to 9 no digit other than digit. Then dot any character except new line. Digit we have discussed, these are examples now. 0 to 9, so non-digit means 0 to 9 negation, and this is ash a white space character. Non-white space, that is slash W means match a single word character and match non-word character. So these are examples which explain the meaning of these used earlier. First we define them in these examples. Let's look at more examples. Ruby question mark So it will match 0 or more occurrences of y. So rub will match, ruby will match. Ruby star. So that is 0 or 1 occurrence. There's question mark. Sorry. Question mark means 0 or 1. So that is rub or ruby. And here we are using 0 or more occurrences of y's. Plus means 1 or more y. 3 means exactly 3 digits. D 3 comma space means digit 3 or more. D 3 or 5, 3, 4 or 5 digits. The smallest number of repetitions, non-greedy, means exact match only. So dot star greedy repetition matches Python Perl. Dot question mark, dot star question mark, non-greedy matches Python in Python Perl. Because when you say greedy means up to where, whatever extent it is possible, it will continue matching that. Because it says a single character any number of times. So it will continue matching up to here. But when you say question mark means we are saying non-greedy, that means first match Python. And so stop here. Grouping with parentheses, /d /small d plus. So that means no groups. And this plus will repeat the digit. Now non-digit and digit plus sign. So this is group now. So plus will repeat the pair, that is non-digit and then digit. Python uppercase P small p, so that means Python in small case or uppercase followed by within parentheses comma space, and then I'm giving a question mark, which means Python or Python multiple times, because what we are giving is here is any number of times and question mark means repeating it. So we are repeating any number of times. Backreferences. This matches a previously matched group again, like Python now ampersand 1, that means this will match the back previous found, that means this one. So it will match Python and Pales. Why? Because first was only this much. So what is there here? Uppercase and lowercase p. So AILS. So P followed by PAILS or PAILS means Python and Pales or Python and Pales. This will match. Ampersand is literal character as it is. And this one is a very interesting regular expression, single or double quoted string /1. This one matches whatever the first group matched, means this one, this is the first group. /2, whatever the second group matched. Second group is not mentioned here. That would have been the meaning had we have the second group, and this is again the first group. So alternatives, I mean this, either this or this. So either Python or Perl. RUB, either Y or LA. So it will become either Ruby or RUBLE. Python. So this question, this exclamation mark plus sign or this, which means Python followed by one or more exclamation mark or one question mark, because we are matching exactly same, because this exclamation mark will match as a character. Plus means one or more. So one or more question mark, either one or more question mark or one or more or exactly one, not more, exactly one, because this is a special character. Question mark is a special character, and since I'm escaping it, so it is exactly one question mark. So either Python followed by exclamation mark multiple times or Python followed by question mark. It will match that. Anchors, that means which makes the beginning or start, beginning or end. Caret symbol, beginning, start of the string. $, Python followed by end of the line. /a, Python at the start of the string. Python /z, Python at the end of the string. /b means it should be a word boundary, Python at the word boundary. brub /b or /b means /b is a non-word boundary which will match rub in rube, ruby, but not alone. Then Python question mark equal to exclamation mark, match Python if followed by an exclamation mark point. Python question mark double exclamation mark, match Python if not followed by exclamation mark point. Then we have special syntax with parentheses. This is r question mark comment, means match r, all the rest should be a comment. Match r question mark I, case insensitive while matching uby. Then r question mark I, same as above, rub question mark yle means group only without creating /1 back reference. That's all for this session. Thank you very much.